And tomorrow, I won't even talk about tomorrow. So I think all in all it's about 180 kilometre. Sorry, I've just got a bike next to me. He's wondering why the fuck I'm speaking. Just hold on. Well, that must be like 5 fucking minutes of the first bit of the video. Ah, Jesus. You've got to fucking learn to stop talking as much, Dave. And all I need to do now is get on a fucking clear road with a bit of scenery, better looking fucking scenery. Who the fuck is going to watch this? Welcome to Spain. This is a motorway, just like the ones we have back in Ireland. Imagine that. Fuck off. I have to, mental note to self when I'm watching this edit, I have to fucking learn to speak and relate better to my surroundings. Not save it all up for it to then blurt it out when I'm on a fucking motorway. Cut in some B-roll here, maybe some twisty stuff, which I have done on the previous day. Even the 360 camera. We'll do sort of split screen music montage. Oh, watch this cunt. And then, where was I? Yeah, I was about to get off my bike and chin that twat. Right, what was I saying? Oh, you see, oh, fucking hell, this isn't working for me at all today. I cannot concentrate today. What the fuck is that about? Like, riding on a road is difficult enough today for me. That's where I was the other day for lunch with Ken. Doing a bit of Japanese teppanyaki in Spain. I mean, why not? I had fucking Indian last night. I came over here. I don't know if any of this wouldn't, of course it won't. This is just mental notes to myself. But I came over here at the beginning of the week thinking all I was going to eat was fish. I've had Japanese, Italian, Chinese, Indian, and loads of fucking chocolate. Right, yeah, this isn't working for me at all today, so I'm just gonna cut the cameras in the hope I get a reboot by the time I hit Marbella. Good kick up the arse is what I fucking need today. What the fuck? Madman. Madman. I've just switched the camera on to make a note, that's all. Call this video, the third one I suspect it's going to be in the series, The Road to Ronda. I like that.